everyone, it's cake day. I will share my version of yama cake and Swiss roll. Mix all the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, mix the wet ingredients: egg yolks, vanilla extract, and milk. Combine the dry and liquid mixture. Mix well. For a healthier cake, I will add moringa powder and turmeric powder. For the meringue, whip egg whites. Add cream of tartar or lemon juice. Add sugar gradually. Beat until soft peak. Fold the meringue into the batter mixture. Pour the mixture in muffin tray and rectangular baking pan. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the cake is cooked, roll it up and let it cool. Spread any filling you want, then roll it again. Decorate the cake. For the yama cake, spread the yama sauce and decorate with sprinkles. Here is your share, brother. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.